All right, so the next thing on my honey-do list is the wife wants to get rid of these chrome trim rings. Let's get to it. All right, so these are the new trim rings for the lights. The passing lamp and the headlight are sold separately, just so you know, and they do not come with new hardware. I was hoping that it was going to come with new hardware because on our Forgotten Angels camp out ride, the nut and bolt that connect the bottom part of the bezel together fell off on the ride up there, so this should be another quick and easy install, so let's get to it. headlight. So although I might have had some minor issues today putting on that main headlight trim ring, I do think this is a relatively simple job that any one of you can do as long as you have the right set of wrenches and a screwdriver to do it. I don't know if the trim ring was cut short or maybe it was user error. Could have been user error. Never blame yourself, it's always somebody else's fault. So on a Switching Gears rating scale, I'm gonna give this 1 out of 5 gears. It was pretty simple and I think that any one of you can do it. Anyways, thanks for tuning in to today's video, guys. Please like and comment if you have any questions and subscribe to the channel. It means a whole lot to me. And let everybody else know what's going on here at the Switching Gears channel. Thanks, see you soon.